Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear students. Hope you all are fine. Today we will learn about travel and transport. Unit number is 3. In this unit we will talk about the different transportation system around the world, history of trains and the future transport and safety in traveling. So we will start reading. The importance of public transport can't be denied. Public transport is energy efficient, which is an ongoing consideration for city planners and governments. Millions of people around the world take public transit every day, which reduces each person's carbon footprints and is a sign of sustainability. Governments around the world are promoting the use of public transport. Public transport comes in many forms. Buses, trains and boats are the main transport system people still rely on. Hong Kong's transport system is considered as the best in the world. Around 12.6 million passengers journeys are made on public transport daily, which is around 90% of the total. Population. Hong Kong's modern metro system, double-decker buses and river ferries allow riders to use 3G internet in all tunnels and stations. They are also clean, fast, safe and efficient. Singapore and Italy's river transport is still very popular. You can hear the words like river ferries, river taxis very commonly in these parts of the world. Singapore's river transport has been preserved the facet of the country's past, offering travelers a chance to experience modern Singapore from the back of a bumboat. Each bumboat can carry as many as 60 passengers and is cost effective. So in this first paragraph, we learned about the transport system, how people are using this transportation system in different countries. Like Hong Kong's transport system is considered as the best transport system in the world. Around 12.6 million passengers on daily basis use these transportation. And after Hong Kong, Italy and Singapore also providing a good transport to their public, and Singapore also offering 3G internet in all their tunnels and stations, which is very useful for the passengers as well. And these transport systems are very cost effective for the public. They are not pretty much expensive. And they are offering low budget fare for these transportation, and after that they are also trying to environmental friendly transport, which can be like cycles, bicycles and those electric vehicles जो कि पाकिस्तान में भी इंट्रोड्यूस करवाई जा चुकी हैं. So environment friendly transport is also popular in many countries. Countries like Netherlands, Belgium, Spain and Denmark promote cycling as the main mode of transport. In the city of Denmark is known as the city of cyclists, Copenhagen, and has 400 kilometers of convenient and well-maintained bicycle paths. Amsterdam, the capital of Netherlands, is even ahead of Copenhagen with nearly 800 kilometers of bike paths. Nearly 60% of the local population uses bicycles every day. So this city is going to make more green routes and bridges through the city to ensure a safe and green transport route for cyclists while creating green spots in the city space. Cycle superhighways are already a reality, leading cyclists and out of the city from as far as 15 km away. From the whistles of a steam engine